Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about how to refresh your hair. Did you ever wake up from a long night of beauty rest and you're like, what am I going to do with this hair? It's up, it's crazy, you let it down, and you're like, well, let me show you how in an easy, simple way. We're going to use It's a 10 with our wet brush, my favorite brush. Spray it. Hold your hair, ends first. Now this is a heat protector and a detangler. So it's going to brush nice and simple and easy and give the hair what it needs for your style. Dry shampoo from Aquage. Now you're always wondering, how do I use this stuff, right? 6 inches away. Low battery. Low battery. Section the hair. Brush that through. So now we've cleansed the scalp, cleansed the hair. One and a half inch barrel iron. One clip. Section it into half. Grab a nice big section. Open your iron. Roll, 2 rolls, tap it out. Big section in the back, drag it down, roll, roll. Hold it for about 10 seconds, tap it out. Another big section. Now it's tricky, so you have to go the opposite way. So instead of going downward, you're going to go upward on one side, downward on the other. So you have to mess with it. Tap it out. So that's 4 sections. 1 clip. Hold. Tap it out. Drop your next section, shake it out. You already did your brushing. And this is a quick refresh. 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes in the morning, right, to look beautiful and feel good throughout the rest of the day? Take that 10 minutes. It's worth it. 1, 2. And reach behind you, pull it forward. Tap it out. Now remember, when you go to the other side, you're going to go down. Another big section. I Want Body by 11, my favorite product of the month. Shake it up, it's a powder and a liquid. Boop, boop. Section, 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 section. The more you use, the bigger the hair. See what we got. Shake it out. You're modern, you're tousled, and you're waved. This is a hairspray too. Enjoy these tips by Salon Protege.